What's up, everyone? Today we are going to Fort Myers Beach. Gonna show you guys what is open over here. I'm gonna play a few clips kind of stuff that we drove past as well, so you can see what was open that we drove by. And then also we're gonna go over some different places. We'll stop down by the area with the pier. I know that apparently Dock Ford's did just reopen, so we're gonna stop down there and check that out. And then we're going to drive by some of the resorts and we'll see what resorts are open, and I'll take a quick look at the beach as well, show you guys. But yeah, there is a decent amount of stuff that is open, so. Okay, here we are under the Fort Myers Bridge. As you can see, we got Bonita Fish Company. Over there would be Dock Ford's. So I'm gonna drive over here to this direction first, show you guys the places that are open right here. See a little bit of the water there. We got Bonita Bill's parking right over here. Very busy. See a lot of people here today. Also up ahead, Dixie Fish Company. They are open. Just pulling on through, and then we're gonna head over towards Dock Ford's now. Show you guys their place. So they are not open yet at the moment. However, they did just announce on their Facebook page, today is July 29th. They are going to be open in 2 days, July 31st. They're going to be reopening again after 10 months of being closed. So that's exciting. I personally really like Dock Ford's. Their food here is great. So here we are pulling in the Dock Ford's parking lot. That way you guys can take a look at how they are looking. See the Gulf Star Marina. But Dock Ford's, they're looking pretty good. It's exciting to see that they are going to be opening again. See a bit of the water through the restaurant. But alright, we are now going to head up onto the bridge and head over into Fort Myers Beach to show you guys what's going on over there. Alright, we are now on the bridge heading over. There would be the Gulf Star Marina with Dock Ford's next to it. You guys might hear Hazel snoring a little bit in the background. Alright, there's Dock Ford down there. You see all the shrimp boats. We are going to drive down to a spot down there as well near the end of the video, because they do have the pirate ship that I wanted to show you guys. Here you can see the water. I'm trying not to let go of my camera right now and have it go flying. But as you can see, Fort Myers Beach is still beautiful. There's Margaritaville that they're building. So we're gonna pull down here, and we're gonna get out and walk around and show you some of the places that are open here. Got Cold Stone ice cream that you see immediately. I know Hazel's gonna be excited for that one. She loves her ice cream. When you do come here, if you do come here in the near future, you will see that there is still a lot of destruction. But I'm really not interested in showing that part of what's happened. Like, as you can see here, there's a lot of stuff that you will see that's like that still, but I'm more interested in showing you guys what's open and what there is to come do, because there is plenty. And you know, the businesses, they need you. Alright, here we are. We just pulled up to the Pink Shell Resort. I'm going to do a drive-by of that. The only other place along this strip, once you get past the Pier area, is the Edison Resort. Everything else in between there is not open. But here is Pink Shell. Pink Shell is doing good. They are open. I did drive through Fort Myers Beach all the way down to the bridge that goes over to Lover's Key, just to see what is all open before I record. So basically we're starting up here. This park at the top here for the beach over here is closed. So we're going to start here at the Pink Shell Resort, and we're going to drive all the way down to the last place that I saw open, which was the Snook Bight Marina. And we'll get out and walk around there too. Once we get down to the Pier area, we're going to get out and walk around the Pier area a little bit. But yeah, I'll continue the video as we drive by the Edison Resort, and then we're going to drive through the Fort Myers Beach area. Alright. Okay, here we are driving by the Edison Beach House. There is the Fort Myers Beach area down there. You see they got a lot of parking over here in this area for the beach access. Alright, here we are. We're going to turn now onto San Carlos Boulevard, show you a few of the different places that are open here. Alright, so here we have the Yucatan. Their restaurant is open, and right behind them you got Big Dick's Salty Seaman. That one, that's a name right there, I tell you. They've got over here on this side, what's the name of this one here? My mom's gonna help me with some of the names here. I'm not too...
Shipwreck.
We got the Shipwreck. Not too familiar with a lot of the names that are over here. I know we got the Wahoo Willies up ahead. They are open. Over here we have the Cigar Hut. So if you want to go and smoke some cigars, relax. There's a Cigar Hut right there. Pulling up a little bit further here, we have the Snug Harbor Waterfront Restaurant. They are now open, and you will find them right there. Proceeding to the right, we have Matanzas on the Bay. So they have their restaurant. Their restaurant is open, and they do have, it looks like, a vacancy now for places to stay here. So they do have, you can see there's people over there at the pool. So it looks like that they are now open with rooms. Over here on the right, you will find the Lighthouse Resort. The Lighthouse Resort is open. I'm not going to pull down their road, only because once we go that way, I have to go back over the Fort Myers Bridge, but they are open over there. Here is Margaritaville that they are working on building. They really didn't take much damage because they were in the process of building it already during the storm, so they they're already progressing with what they're trying to do. All right, here we are now where the Pier beach was. I'm under the flag that they got here. Of course, starting out the area with a gumbo limbo tree as usual for my videos. But yeah, here we have it. Here is the beach. My mom and Hazel, they're getting ready, they're getting out, they're gonna go get an ice cream, so we'll go meet up with them in a second here, but we are gonna take a little bit of a walk down there. Also, make sure you guys stick around. I'm gonna take some photos. There's like a ton of pelicans out there on the beams that were holding up the pier at one point, so try and get some photos of them. We'll see if that looks pretty cool. The parking lot, as of right now, it doesn't look like there is anywhere to pay, so it looks like parking is free right now, because I don't see anyone with any parking stubs or anything like that, so looks like parking's free. They do have some porta potties over here, and then it looks like there is a air-conditioned bathroom over there. So yeah, all right, we're gonna go meet up with my mom and Hazel and take a walk around here, see what we can find. All right, we're now right here at the entrance to the pier area. See over here, I got Hazel and my mom getting their ice cream. Hazel's probably really excited to get her ice cream. Look at Hazel. Hazel, you getting ice cream?
I didn't order peeps, I didn't know what you wanted, so there's all these flavors.
Let's see what they got here.
It smells really nice out. Yeah, somebody's barbecue.
Smell some barbecue, yeah.
Are we allowed to sit here or just on these chairs here? Oh, the pink chairs are mine. That's fine. Oh, okay, I didn't know. All right. My son's doing a YouTube channel, so we're trying to promote the beach area. Oh, that's awesome. Oh, that's yours. Yeah, she's like, oh, I want my ice cream. All right, we can go. Pushing it now like
We're
that.
here eating ice cream with Hazel. How's the ice cream, Hazel? You like it? She woke up from a nap pretty recently. I'm sure you guys saw her sleeping in the car.
You like this ice cream? You like this one
I
better?
got a fruit lemon ice. See how it is.
This mint chip is really good.
Oh, this is good.
This is good too. The mint
Mom got the mint chip.
chip, really good.
Napkin here. Mom's got the mint chip. Hazel's got the chocolate. It's hot out. It's melting pretty quickly, but food is pretty good. Alright. Ice cream's good. Make sure you guys come here and get some ice cream when you're here. We are at Melly's Ice Cream. I like these spoons. These are really good spoons.
Want some more?
Alright, we will continue the video after we're finished with our ice cream. Alright, we just finished our ice cream. Mom and Hazel are there. They're gonna sit down there real quick. I'm gonna take a quick walk down here over to the pier, or what was the pier, show you guys that. Try and get a few photos of what's left over there, and maybe the pelicans that are walking around. Alright. You can see there is a lot of people out here on the beach today. I just saw a guy walk down the beach with a ice cream stand, which I thought was pretty interesting. I've heard that he's been here before, so he's pretty known. But here we go. Look at all the pelicans. The beach, the sand is very white. Looks like tide is a little bit low right now. You can see the Sanibel Causeway down that way. There's the Sanibel Lighthouse right over there. Here we have this view of it. Look at all the pelicans sitting up there. I'm gonna get a few photos of that for sure. Someone's fishing. Some boats are pulled up down there. Actually pretty crazy seeing how shallow the beach is right here right now. You can see the Lani Kai down there. I did see that the Lani Kai, their beachside bar is open right now. We're gonna drive down by that way towards the end of the video here. There's a storm pulling in right now. Looks like it's going to be a pretty bad one, so I'm going to try and walk around a little bit more, and then we're going to head back to the car, film a little bit of the rest of the strip for you guys. But alright, oh, just saw some big lightning go off. That's Florida for you during the summer. It starts raining every afternoon, so if you guys do come down here, I recommend going outdoors in the morning because that's usually when it isn't raining nearly as much. But alright, I will catch up to you guys when I get to my mom and Hazel. Here we are back with my mom and Hazel. We're just going to walk to the front of this real quick before the storm comes in and starts pouring. Here we have the Bella Mozzarella Pizza and Grill. Looks like 2,000 flavors. They're open as well. Some beautiful art on the walls here. I've seen that there's a lady right now. I don't know if she's still up there, but she was up top painting the tower that's behind this building, painting a mural on it. There is the bridge. You got Margaritaville. There's the Cold Stone ice cream. There, when we first pulled up, I saw her. She was up there working on painting that, so I'm gonna get a photo of that too. All right, I'm regrouped now with my mom and Hazel. We're just going to walk around the front here, do a little loop back to the car, and then after that we're going to drive down Estero Boulevard, show you guys the places that are open down that way. There's another angle of that mural that she was just painting. That's very fresh. Looks like here they have some more, they got more ice cream. A Cuban food truck over here. Looks like over here they got something, they're going to be playing some live music right here. Surfside Restaurant. Everyone that keeps walking by says smile for the camera. It is a very fun time out here right now. So yeah, down that way would be where all those restaurants were that I showed you before.
Doors, restaurants.
Crazy how different it is now. We're back now where the ice cream was. We're gonna now head over to the car. All right, we are now back in the car, and we're gonna get ourselves onto Estero Boulevard and show you what else we got to see. All right, we are now on Estero Boulevard. Here's the strip that we walked down before. There is the Fort Myers Bridge, well, the Fort Myers Beach Bridge. I know a lot of you like sunny, bright days, but Florida, I mean, it does rain a lot. You just got to know how to time it right when you're here. I really, like I said before, I really recommend that you come out early in the mornings, like you know, 8 a.m. to noon is your best bet to avoid the thunderstorms during the summer, because the storms that are happening right now, it's a pretty usual thing that once the afternoon hits. All right, so here we have, that is the Lani Kai. Their beachside bar is open, so everyone knows. Here we have this guy, he's got tuna skin, looks like his own brand of clothing he's got going on there. Over here we have a taco truck, Yo Taco. Just turned down the air conditioning now, sorry if that was loud before. So you got beach parking here. So you can park here. Looks like there is a pay. Yeah, you have to pay there to park, but you can park there if you want to. I know, Sarah, I saw your comment. I appreciate your support. Here is the Diamond Head Resort that you'll be staying at coming up. So you have the Diamond Head Resort. Oh, Hazel sees something. So, food and drinks, live music going on there. You can see that place is pretty busy. And honestly, the Diamond Head Resort is one of the last places that is really open as far as the further you go this way. Hazel sees a bunch of things. I really don't want to show too much of this over here, but as you can see, yeah, I mean, basically everything else down this direction is pretty much the same story. It's all stripped completely on the inside. But the next place that is open, and where I will continue the video, is once we get to the Snook Bight Marina. And there are two places there that used to be on the beach, restaurants, that are now there. What was the name of them? Which ones?
Junkanoo.
Junkanoo.
And Fresh Bistro.
Fresh what?
Bistro.
Fresh Bistro. They are both now at the Snook Bight Marina. They're also, once we get there, there is a Publix. So if you are staying here on Fort Myers Beach at one of the open resorts, down this direction is where you will find a Publix on this side of the bridge. Here is where Lee County has set up their headquarters for the police. But alright, we will continue once we get to the Snook Bight Marina. I want to make a correction. It is Fresh Catch Bistro, not Fresh Bistro. Sorry. I'm horrible with names, so I'm trying my best to remember everything that is down here. But yeah, Fresh Catch Bistro is what is now at the Snook Bight Marina, which used to be in a building on the beach here. Hazel! Okay, here we are pulling up to the Publix. So the Publix is in the front, and actually Snook Bight Marina is behind the Publix here. Anything further down that way The only place I saw open was there is a boat center where you can buy a boat. That's really the only thing further down that way that I saw. There's a few condos, maybe 2, but other than that, the next thing you'll run into would be Lover's Key. And if you guys watch my channel, I have Lover's Key videos. Go check those out. Also, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, turn on that notification bell. Your support helps me out. I'm trying to get monetized, and we're chugging along there, but I appreciate all your guys' support. I love reading your comments. But here we are at the Snook Bight Marina, and there you can see it, Fresh Catch Bistro and Junkanoo below deck. There are restaurants here. You can see there's a bunch of people sitting there at the bar back there. And yeah, we're gonna get out and we're gonna go walk and check it out. Okay, we are here now, out of the car. We're gonna walk down to the marina a little bit, show you guys the water, show you guys the restaurant that is there. But yeah. Okay, so they have a staircase. Upstairs is Fresh Catch, down below is Junkanoo. Looks like you got a bunch of chairs here, cornhole to play. Yeah. You see the restaurant is pretty busy here. Walk up to the water a little bit. It's pretty cool. Get some cool photos here. So they have some charters here as well. Looks like Dynamite Charters, private dolphin tours, sunset cruises, shelling excursions, good time charters, private fishing, and wildlife charters. Over here we have Captain Ray Klein, Island he's the Island Runner Tours, and then Island Excursions. And here, this sounds a little confusing to me, but ooh, some loud thunder going off. Right here, Fishing the Flats with Captain Tony. Light tackle and fly fishing. So there's that. There's their phone number. Yeah, there's a lot missing, but yeah. Here are the restaurants. There's one up top. Yeah, it looks like if you have a boat and you want to come and dock. One second, Hazel. It looks like they have a place here where you can pull up and dock a boat if you guys want to pull up by boat. Okay, everyone, that is going to conclude today's video. I hope everyone enjoyed it. I hope it gave you some insight into what places are open if you do come down here to visit. There's definitely enough stuff to come do to have a good time. So if you do come down here, you will have a good time. So anyways, I hope everyone enjoyed. Have a good day. See ya.